Okay, so I'm going to show you how to take your fun little booklet and put it into Procreate so you can use this template here. All right, so what we're going to do is you've opened up your email. I've given you the free template or the free booklet. You've saved it under downloads or files. Just remember where you save it, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to go, I saved mine in downloads. So I'm going to click on downloads and I'm going to open that folder. And here it is right here. Okay. So my make art and letter opt-in, I'm going to click on this. And when I do, this comes up. Does yours do that too? Look and see, because this is awesome. Open in Procreate. Now, I don't know if it's just because I have an iPad Pro that it does that, or if it does it on all iPads, I'm not sure. So let's just go with this first. Open in Procreate. So I'm going to click that little arrow there and then send copy and send copy. I'm not sure if that did anything. Okay, I'm going to go down here and swipe across until I see Procreate. If I don't see Procreate, I'm going to keep going. More. And then I'm going to scroll until I see Procreate. And there it is right there. I'm going to click, and now it's importing it into the app Procreate. Isn't that cool? So now we see down here, Page Assist is on. And all of the pages are right here. So we have our template in here. Now, as I mentioned before, to be able to draw on top of this, we have to turn off Page Assist. And so you just go to the wrench and Canvas and turn off Page Assist. See how it's on? And that will take all of these pages away. They'll be in individual layers. Okay, so I took that off. Now that part's gone. And then now we have all these layers, right? So I'm just going to unclick the layers. You don't need them on. And I'm just going to click on the one layer of the template that I'm working on. So now to be able to draw on top of this, I would add a blank layer, right? And then I'm going to change the color of my pen so I can see, or brush. And then I'm going to be able to just start doing my lettering practice there. So hopefully that helped. Now, what if you don't have those options that I had? Let me show you another way to do it. Or whenever you have something that you want to trace on the internet. So let's just say I went to downloads and I opened this up, and say you didn't have the open in Procreate. Let's just scroll to the page that we want. Okay. And just say that this was like, I couldn't save this. I didn't know how to save it. I didn't know what to do. So then you would just take a screenshot, which get your 2 fingers and push the 2 buttons up here in the corner, or however your iPad works for that, and hold them squeeze them at the same time, and it made a screenshot. So let me click on that. So there's a screenshot for that. Now, when you make a screenshot of something, it just goes into your camera roll. So I'm just going to click done. I'm going to save to photos. Okay. And so now I'm going to close that out, and I'm going to just open up Procreate separately. And let me go out of here. And I'm going to just start a new canvas. Okay, so I'm going to add, and then I'm going to just do screen size. Now, to be able to get that template in here, so you can practice with me, you go to the wrench, and then you'll add. Go under Actions, Add, right there, and then insert a photo. Remember, this goes to your photos. And we're going to click that last photo I just had, and it's going to bring in the template that I just took a screenshot of. So hopefully that's helpful. One of those ways should work for you. And now I'm going to blow it up to get rid of the extra stuff that I don't need on the side over there. And then when I let go of it, it's going to kind of erase everything else. So it's just that picture now. So I can add a new layer, and then on top of that, I can just start drawing and tracing my lines. Okay? Hopefully that's helpful.